I say I will come here.
Power pass power.
And I say this discussion must go on.
Oh yes.
Who them be? How many them dey?
How many them dey? Why we don't believe that? How many them dey?
Now let me tell you something. The Calabari nation. Let me first of all recognize my dear younger ones, Dr. Kelly, who is the Executive Secretary of the Border Nations Communities, and the DG, Energy Security and Air Office, Honorable Flag Ojukaye, Amakri, and people like Naira, all of you. What you have done today is to tell the world all this noise in the radio is not the real thing. You are the Calabaris, you are of the John nation, and you are receiving me today. God will continue to bless you. I will continue to stand by you. I will continue to support you where they want me to support you. What I said on my interview, people will want to misinterpret. Whatever they want to misinterpret is their business. What I said is this, and I want to repeat it. We are all working together. If we don't work together, it will be difficult to produce a government. That's what I said. Where is Chief Federal? Where is he? Is he here? Where is Chief? Where is the Latin? Where is Chief Federal? He's here. Okay. So you will know, this is the man. He never allowed me to rest. He nearly fainted when we were deciding who will become governor. Himself, O.C. Jokocha, Chief Sergeant Awuse, and this boy, Celeste Robeha.
The master. The grandmaster.
Hold on. I said boy, hold on. Why I say boy? When you are even 80 years, you don't behave like an elder. You behave like a boy. Then they call you a boy. Not so?
That's all.
Now let me tell you, when we met, that day was the primaries. This governor today, he said he was not going to run. That my Commissioner of Finance, Isaac Kamalo, should be the one to run. At that point, I saw his face. He was gone. He was gone. Salat Nomea said yes, it is Isaac Kamalo, that this governor cannot carry out effectively the function of a governor. O.C. Jokocha and Chief Awuse said, look, live and let live. Let us not do something that people will begin to say, one must be only one-sided. Let us give this boy to be. I sat down with Jonas Berger, signed an agreement. Judge Kelly was Commissioner of Works. I said, Jonas Berger will be paying you $6 billion every month through our IGR. this road and the one from Ahuda to Ombo. I was the one. I called him. See what we have done. We have paid for about 8 months. Continue. These are programs and projects that will send you to the people of Rivers State. I called him, took him to Germany, sat down with Jonas Berger. George Keller is alive. Chico Igunema is alive. Ken Chico is alive. We met in Wiesbaden to draw up the ring road. In a little council meeting of Rivers State, I brought him to sit down in the executive council meeting. This project must be done. Therefore, we will take money from Senate Bank. This is how much we'll be paying every month. This project will sell it to the people of Rivers. All these ones that are going about now were on my initiatives. And I thought that we are working together. I have handed over this to you. Go ahead. Let them tell me what initiative they have put on ground. Let them tell me what. It's not to abuse us. You can abuse me as much as you want. And let me tell you, I've never bothered myself. Abuse they kill anybody. You don't see who abuse don't kill. What is important is the result, is it not? Not now who get high blood pressure. Not them. We with the sit down, then judge, then they get high blood pressure. And this is what I was avoiding. So look, don't go through this route. You went, they told you to seize assembly members, their salaries and allowances for more than 1 year. These people have no income to pay their children's school fees, to feed their family, and you were jubilating. You were jubilating. People were encouraging you. Nothing would happen. Nothing would happen. Something has happened. Something has what? Happened. And let me tell you, I'm not going to stop assembly from performing their constitutional duty. Assembly should be allowed to perform their constitutional duty. People who love peace don't threaten people. The more you threaten, the more you worsen the situation. Assembly people must do their work. Whatever they deem necessary and fit, that is constitutional, they should do. I'm not going to stop anybody from carrying out his or her powers. I'm not do that. Mr. President invited all of us for peace. After that day, we the leaders sat, we told the assembly, go back and withdraw that impeachment notice, since Mr. President has intervened for peace. Instead of them to do their own part, they instigated so many court actions, using it as an excuse. It's okay. It's okay. When they won the Court of Appeal, they were doing Thanksgiving, is it not? Is it not? Now, judiciary was the last of them. Today, we won. They said we should not do Thanksgiving. Are they being fair?
Judgment day is coming. Judgment day is coming. All men shall stand before the throne of God.
see Jokola is called Judgment Day. Because he said it, Judgment Day will come, and Judgment Day has come. Ordinarily, people like him, people like Osiki, people like Chief Sergeant Awusi, our senators, leaders, are those, if you want to need to bring peace, are those they should go and talk to. Not talking to people who have caused more damage, who have gone on television to make noise, to castigate us, collect money, go on television. When you are finished talking, can you come to us again? No. You cannot. And you say people don't want peace. Who are you to bring peace? When president intervened, people like Saraibe, they went to court, challenging Mr. President that he has no power, there's no constitutional. I was told Saraibe was in Villa for president to intervene. You that went to court, the president has no power to settle. Now you have run back to the same. You must be consistent in your life. Politics comes with good and bad. When good comes, you job. When the bad one comes, you face it. Nothing like please what? So we cannot. Our efforts, our sweat, we cannot be pushed out. We cannot be pushed out. All of you suffered. And somebody will just come because they gave him power overnight and say, get out. Who told you can tell us get out? And will you accept us to get out? All those who said they will not serve master and son are the ones now waiting on the road, opening door for the son. People have no conscience at all. Those who wrote petition to EFCC against this governor, for him not to be a governor, are all now people who are saying they will decide. Decide for who? For us? For us? They are not yet born. I have defeated them before, and I'll continue to defeat them.
His name is Wike. His name is Wike. What is that for the minister? His name is Wike. We don't know what
So, for me, let me tell you, I have made it clear whether anybody wants to hang himself, this state, I don't know who's anywhere. You can be anywhere. But let me tell you today is 15th of March. I am supporting President Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? When I was governor, everybody knew my position. I never went to the feeder in the night. I said my own clearly. Some people, when they have problem, they are for Tinubu. In the night, they do a different. So, will somebody come and preach to us to tell us to support somebody. No. No. So let nobody deceive you that the governor is in job. This one is not. All of you here. If they were writing an exam, you wouldn't have carried first to 15. So let nobody come and deceive you. When they go and collect money at the back, they tell you, let's go and do this. Ask him. That's what you collected last night. Did you put my own there? Did you put my own there? We must come up to say, people must not. You have shown you are in charge. You have shown your ground. God will continue to bless all of you. Amen. Bless our leader and all those who are working with him. They did. He went and used his senior brother, who is a judge. Justice Dalagogo sat down under ex-party order, said 27 members have defected. Ex-party, not on notice. Secretary to government, Leo, his brother George, Justice Dalagogo, to give ex-party order that the government can present budget to 3-4 people. Justice Dalagogo, Secretary Dalagogo, the judge who gave the order, Dalagogo. Now look at how people can destroy a state. That's the genesis of all this crisis. How a judge will sit down under ex-party order that people have defected, that you can present budget to 3-4 people. And still, he has the conscience to remain. Look at what the Court of Appeal and Supreme Court did to him. Look at Dalagogo, who wanted to be governor. He was so pained that he was not given. He is the one following the governor. And this governor does not know. This one of my rival. He is the one advising me. He will lead you to hellfire. Myself with people who wanted to be governor, whom I said no. This wouldn't mean well for River State. Now they are the ones surrounding you, giving you advice. Why do you think you will succeed? They will give you bad and see what the bad advice is doing to you. You're already down 2-0. 2-0. And more to come.
Roland is here, Roland is here, Roland is here, now we get
of politics where you surround yourself with those who want your seat. I mean, will it work? Will it work? They come there, they abuse me, and you are happy. You don't know to see that they are destroying. So, Calabari people, be assured, I'm with you. Call me anytime. I will be with you. You have shown support, and I will never abandon you. Thank you very much. you and God bless you.